In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Google Business Profile email address in just about 5 minutes. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Google Business Profile page. The easiest way to do this is simply by searching for Google Business Profile in your preferred web browser, or you can directly go to their website. Once you're there, the next step is to sign in using your Google account. This is the email address and password you typically use for Google services. After logging in, you'll be directed to your main dashboard. Here you'll notice a myriad of options, but what you're looking for should be fairly straightforward to locate. Go ahead and select your business profile. This step is crucial because it gets you into the administrative backend of your business listing where all the magic happens. At this point, you'll be presented with a list of all the businesses associated with your Google account. If you're handling multiple businesses, make sure to select the one you're interested in checking the email for. Now, this is where the navigation gets a bit interesting. Look towards the top right of your screen. You're looking for a small icon that might either be your photo if you've set one up, or it could just be the initial of your first name. Clicking on this will direct you to the next step. Once you've clicked on your photo or the placeholder icon, a drop-down menu will appear. This is essentially a quick access menu to various aspects of your Google account, including your personal information. Finally, within this drop-down menu, you will find the email address that is associated with your business profile. It's as simple as that. This is the primary email address you use for all communications and notifications related to your Google business profile. And there you have it. You've just learned how to quickly find the email address associated with your Google business profile. Remember, this email is important for receiving notifications, updates, and insights about your business on Google. Make sure it's an email you check regularly to stay on top of your online presence. I hope this walkthrough was helpful. Managing your information on Google is crucial for maintaining your business's visibility online. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your digital footprint effectively.